Hello, students. Today I will tell you how to control snoring. While it's easy to make jokes about someone's window rattling, dog howling, air raids, siren snores, the truth is that chronic snoring affects up to 45% of the adult population and can be the cause of a host of physical and emotional problems. Snoring is serious business. If you or your partner struggle with this issue, taking preventative measures will help ensure that you're able to get a solid night of rest. Let's find out how to diagnose the causes of your snoring and plan for a cure. Sleep on your side. Sleeping on your side is an effective way to stop snoring naturally. Doing so can help prevent the relaxation of the tongue from relaxing to the back wall of the throat. Other sleeping positions, such as sleeping on your stomach or propping up your head, can put strain on your neck, resulting in neck pain. Lose weight. Weight loss can help individuals reduce snoring naturally, especially when prior to gaining weight, the individual did not suffer from snoring. Excess fat on the body, especially around the neck, can put undue pressure on the airway and in some cases cause it to partially collapse. This partial airway restriction results in snoring. While weight loss may be helpful for some sufferers, weight loss is not a surefire solution, as slim individuals can snore too. Avoid alcohol and sedatives. The consumption of booze, tranquilizers, or sleeping pills can lead to the depression of your central nervous system. This depression relaxes the muscles of your throat and jaw, making snoring more likely. These substances are also known to contribute to sleep apnea, a dangerous condition that has been linked to cardiovascular disease. If you are experiencing difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep without the use of sleep aids, you should speak with your doctor. Stop smoking. Research has proven smoking is a major contributor to snoring. It is believed snoring is a result of upper airway irritation and inflammation that over time leads to permanent respiratory system damage. This includes everything, even e-cigarettes. Quit smoking today. Exercise. Moderate exercise, just 30 minutes a day, a few times a week, can provide many health benefits. Exercise is beneficial for a multitude of reasons, including its ability to help you stop snoring naturally. In addition, exercise can be helpful in maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, as well as assisting with weight loss, both suggested habits that are natural ways to stop snoring. Nasal congestion. A stuffed-up nose makes breathing difficult, especially at night. Lying down can create a vacuum in your throat, which in turn leads to snoring. You can clear nasal passages by using a neti pot, an over-the-counter saline spray, or a humidifier. Nasal decongestants are another option as they improve inhalation and allow you to breathe more easily both during the day and while sleeping.